Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our GK class. So, today we will continue our first chapter, that is traditional musical instruments. Till last week, we have done the two main musical instruments, that was Tati and Gogona, and the remaining we will do today. So, let's start with the first one, that is Bulbul Tarang. As the name suggests, it is a kind of gurmukhi, which is a string instrument from Punjab, which evolved from the Japanese taishogoto. And you know what? Its name, as well as it literally means waves of nightingales. Now, why name of nightingales? Because it is a instrument which employs two sets of strings, one set for drone and one for the melody, which produce notes. As I told you that it is a similar to a banjo, but evolved from the Japanese taishogoto early in the 20th century. And one more thing I would like to tell all of you, all these classical instruments I'm sharing very small video so that you can know better that what kind of tune it produces. So go through these videos as well. So next one is Surbahar, which literally means springtime of notes. It is a kind of a bass sitar, or you can say it is similar to sitar, and it's literally named Spring Melody, which is in Hindi. So, it is a plucked string instrument used in the Hindustani classical music of the Indian subcontinent, which is closely related to the sitar, as I told, but has a lower tone. Depending on the instrument size, it is usually pitched 2 to 5 whole steps below the standard sitar. So, as I have shared picture here, and I will show one video also. So go through that video. Okay, so next one is Swar Mandal or Sur Mandal. It is Indian harp or zither, which is used an accompanying instrument in a vocal Hindustani classical performance. So it is used while uh, giving performance through vocal. So it is commonly used as an accompaniment to Hindustani vocal music. The name originates from swara, that is notes, and mandal group, an indicator of the large number of notes it can produce. That's why it named as Swara Mandal or note group. Now, depending on the artist, Swara Mandala can have between 21 to 36 strings. As I have shared the picture, you can go through it. And it is used by some gharanas or schools of Hindustani classical music. Now, go through the video of this instrument.
जो जो ऊपर जाएगा आवाज़ उसकी भारी होती जाएगी
So next one is tumbi. It is a musical instrument or called tumba as well, and it is a traditional musical instrument from the Punjab region of the northern Indian subcontinent. And it is a high pitched single string plucking instrument which is associated with folk music of Punjab and very popular in the western bhangra music. And many of you must have listened this term in many Punjabi songs as well. And one more thing I would like to add on, it is used in, as I told you, in western bhangra music that is very popular in the UK, that is United Kingdom, and other parts of the world. And it is high pitched sound. Go through this interesting video. Now the last one, The last one is the shenda. Shenda is the cylindrical wooden drum, as you can see in picture, widely used during worship and festivals in Kerala and in a region in Karnataka, which is called Tulunadu, where it is called Shande, not the Shenda one. And the both ends of the drum are usually covered with the animal skin. Mark this point that it is covered with the animal skin, and is generally identified as a cultural element in Kerala. Now, go through the video of the Shenda instrument. So I hope you all like this all videos of these classical instruments. Now it is the time of giving you assignment. So today I will give you assignment, and it will be very small. So go through it and do in your GK notebook, or if you are not having notebook, do in sheets. But don't maintain one notebook for GK and social science. These are two different subjects, so you have to maintain different notebooks. But if you are not having notebook right now, so there is no problem at all. You can use sheets as well, but keep it separate with social science. Don't keep it with social science subject. And go through this assignment, do it as soon as possible.